In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use value and random value nodes. For this project, I'm using a plane, and I have added geometry nodes. Here are the full nodes. Without using the value and the random value nodes, we can click and drag multiple selections like this and change the value. Click and drag down to select multiple slots. But it's easier to use the value node if we're looking to change all three axes to have the same value. The random value is used when we want all available slots to have unique random values. I'm using a teapot mesh as the instance object, but if you can't find that mesh in the menu, please activate the Extra Objects add-on. A grid node was used to create a non-destructive base grid. If we want to change the base mesh to a UV sphere, then we must replace the grid node. If we use a UV sphere as the starting mesh, the geometry node will only honor what was selected as a points mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.